Hi, and welcome to our series of video tutorials for the web console. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your blog and create your first blog post. Blogs are a great way to communicate with your clients and, by their very nature, are great for search engine optimization. Before I begin posting to my blog, I need to alter the settings in the blog tool so that my blog is functioning the way that I want. So, I start by clicking on Blog in the left-hand navigation panel, and then click Settings. Let's look closely at all the features on this page, starting with Show a Post Snippet. When you have a blog with the web console, you'll have a page on your website that displays a list of your blog posts, which your viewer can then click on to view the individual blog. This list can either display the entire blog post or just a snippet. If I want to show just a snippet, I leave this field set to Yes, and then change the snippet length to the number of characters I want this snippet to be. Otherwise, I set this section to No, and the entire post will appear on my blog list. I'm going to set this back to snippet because I want people to see just a small preview of my blog post, but then have to click on the blog post title in order to read the entire post. I can choose how many posts will appear on the listing page. If I had chosen to show the entire post, I'd want to keep this number small, but because I'm just showing a snippet, I'll make this number larger so that more posts can fit on the page. If you have had a few web page templates developed for your website, you can change the template that the blog posts use by selecting the template you want from this drop-down menu. I only have one template, so I don't get a choice here. Allowing commenting on your posts is a great way to encourage your readers to engage with your website. However, you can choose to block all commenting if you want. Otherwise, you can choose on-site commenting, which allows you to moderate comments before they appear on your blog, receive email notifications when somebody leaves a comment, and even require people to sign up as a commenter before they can leave a comment. However, I prefer using the third option, which is Facebook commenting. The great thing about this option is that any comments that a visitor leaves also appears on their Facebook page and goes into their friends' feeds. This is a form of viral marketing, and it can be very powerful. You can still moderate the comments too. Just click on Manage Facebook Settings and type your Facebook ID into this field. You can find your Facebook ID by going to your Facebook profile, not your feed, and find the number or name that appears in this portion of your Facebook profile's URL. You can add as many other administrators as you like here, but keep in mind that each of these people will have full control over the moderation of your blog commenting, so only choose members of your team who will be suitable for this responsibility. You can also choose how many comments will appear on this post, as well as the width and the colour scheme of the comments box. An RSS feed allows your followers to subscribe to your blogs using third-party programs like Outlook or Google Reader, and FeedBurner is a tool that tracks your RSS and delivers your content to your followers. You can use the default RSS, however, I find it better to register my feed with FeedBurner and put the URL that I've been given in here. I'm done altering my blog settings, so I'll click Save Blog Settings and get started on my first post by clicking on Blog Posts and then Add Post. Today, I'm going to write a post about the web console's new video tutorials. I'm going to make a point of using my keywords in my heading, and you should keep this in mind when writing your blogs too. If I'm not ready to post this blog today, I can keep it hidden. Otherwise, I can set this field to visible and it will appear on my website as soon as I'm finished here. Then I choose my author. I'm not actually here, so I'll just add a new one by clicking on New. I need to type in my name and then add a short biography. I can also type in my social media URLs here too. If I add my Google Plus account here, my blog image will appear next to the search results my blog post appear in, just as it has for these bloggers here. I can change my publish date too. If I set this to a date in the future, the post won't appear on my blog list until this date. It's important to choose tags for your posts, as this allows your readers to search your blog posts by their topics. If you have previously set up your Twitter accounts in the web console, you can automatically tweet this post to your followers by choosing Yes here. You can also upload an image to accompany your blog post by either dragging in an image or clicking on Upload a File. Now we can enter in the content for our blog post. Just like I showed you in the video tutorial on working with content pages, you can format the post's content with heading styles, bold and italics, links and tables, among many other things. When I select Go Back to the Blog list and click Save Blog Post, we can see that my new post has appeared at the top of the list. If I click on View, I can see my post. You can use the social sharing features to tweet this post, Google +1 it, like it, or Facebook message the link to a friend. Well, that brings us to the end of this video tutorial. Be sure to watch more of our videos so that you can get the most out of the web console. Thanks for watching.